is Rini. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to cook Potstickers. Potstickers, which is called gyoza in Japanese, is one of my family's favorite food when we live in Japan. This food originated from China, which is called gyoza or dumplings in English. It is a traditional Chinese dish, and we also call potstickers 煎饺. Today I will show you two ways to make potstickers. Both are very simple. I'm sure you can do it as well. I chose two brands of frozen potstickers today. This one you can find in Trader Joe's, and this one you can find at Costco or any other grocery stores. So now you prepare. Let's start.
Preheat a non-stick pan and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Place 7 potstickers into the pan, leaving some space between them. Use medium-high heat. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until all sides are golden brown. This should equal 7 to 8 minutes in total. I can tell you how to cook potstickers from scratch. If you are interested, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You can also prepare some dippings for the potstickers. I added 1 teaspoon of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. If you like spicy food, you can also put in some spicy oil. Now I will show you the second method. We need to prepare cornstarch and water mixture first. Use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1/4 cups of water. Mix ingredients together. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use cake flour or all-purpose flour. Preheat the pan. After that, add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Use low heat and place 10 potstickers into the pan. Wait until the bottoms are golden brown. Pour the cornstarch and water mix inside. Cover the pan with a lid. Use medium-low heat and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. After taking the lid off, cook until the pan is dry for another 2 or 3 minutes. That's it!
Personally, I prefer the second way because it looks more beautiful, see? But if we're in a hurry, of course, the first one will be very easy and convenient. So it's up to you to choose which method. Okay, now it's ready to eat. Ready to eat! Wow, big one. How it tastes?
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, let's try it. Tastes so good. Delicious.
You can try.
Okay, let's try this one, and you can try this one. Okay. Oh, so crispy, right?
Yummy.
And this one, yeah, the second one is like much more crispy, right?
It's yummy.
Yeah, it's so yummy. Okay, tastes good. Couldn't stop eating, right? Okay, if you like my videos, please remember to